Hello everyone, myself lecturer Aditya Nilkushari, Master of Pharmacy in Quality Assurance Techniques. Today we are going to discuss about the experiments from pharmaceutics 2. So first of all, let's discuss about the monophasic liquid dosage form. Liquid meant for external administration, in that specially liquids to be instilled into body cavities. Douches. Douches is a medicated solution meant for a body cavity. The word douche is often used for vaginal solution, but also used to irrigate the eyes, ear or nasal cavities for cleaning or removing the foreign particles. Recommended containers for douches are narrow mouth, colored, fluted bottle, and special labeling instructions for douches are for external use only. In next session we will discuss about the actual So now let's discuss about experiment number 28. Title of our today's experiment is to prepare and submit the potassium permanganate solution douche 10 ml. Proposition 1. A douche is a medicated solution for rinsing a body cavity. Word douche is often used for vaginal solution. Vaginal solutions may be called as irrigations. Learning objectives of our today's experiment are to understand the different solutions meant for bladder, rectum, vagina or nasal cavities, and ability to prepare the vaginal solution and label it appropriately. Apparatus required are glass mortar pestle, measuring cylinder, beaker, funnel, glass rod, conical flask and sintered glass filter. Factor calculated as quantity required upon quantity given, that is equal to 10 upon 100 is equal to 0.1. So prescription is given over here. Rx supply 500 ml of 0.1%. 0.1% means 0.1 gram in 100 ml potassium permanganate solution. So let's discuss about formulation table. Type, that is the use of ingredient. Translation means the name of ingredient. Quantity given in the imperial system for preparing 30 ml, quantity given in the metric system for 30 ml, and quantity taken in the metric system for preparing actual 10 ml. So first of all, potassium permanganate used as antiseptic and anti-infective. Quantity given 0.1 gram, multiply it with factor 0.1, we will get 0.01 gram. Water used as a vehicle. Quantity given, quantity is sufficient to prepare 100 ml. For preparing 10 ml, quantity sufficient up to 10 ml. Direction: prepare 1 liter volume of a 1 in 4000 solution for use as a vaginal douche. For performing actual experiment, let's move towards laboratory. So now let's move towards performing of actual experiment. This is a potassium permanganate and this is the purified water. We will already measure this potassium permanganate into this beaker, as it may stain to the butter paper, so we can take into this beaker or in watch glass too. So now I am going to transfer this already previously weighed potassium permanganate into this glass mortar, as it may stain to the porcelain mortar, so we can use glass mortar in this case. So I am going to add this water into it, and now again going to triturate it properly so the crystals are not remain into it, and then now going to proceed, as no crystals are seen in it, so there is not necessity to filter it. So now we will directly move towards volume makeup. So after trituration, as no particles or crystals are seen, so I am going to move directly for making volume makeup of it, and then after this I will transfer it into this container and then next move towards labeling part. So now proceed for labeling part. So the labeling of formulation douche 10 ml for ABC, that is the name of patient, register number XYZ, that is number given in the register, dispensed by PQR is the name of pharmacist, then date September 2020, which is the manufacturing date, then storage condition, store in a cool and dark place, shake well